Hey everyone, it's Gretchen here, Catnpaws. So it's Friday nights in my pajamas, lights out edition. We're living by candlelight and flashlight, and Mark's cooking dinner.
Oh, well, there's the wind.
Yeah. We have a gas stove, so he was able to light the pilot light, and there's the chicken.
Not the pilot light.
Well, what is it called? The burner. And there's the sauce.
There's the water.
There's the water. And now it'll be dinner. Can you see? There's the tinks. No, you cannot see tinkers. There's, oh, I can't see you, babies. There's my candle. Since it's dark, you can't see anything, but I do have some flameless going. And then in here, we don't have the heat. All we have is our fireplace. It's gas too. Samantha's chilling. And look at, oh, I gotta show you my floor. That's from Puppy Love. Stuff's everywhere. Shoelaces, toys. Squeaky toys. There's the fireplace. I got some flameless up here. There's Brett. We're all just hanging. This is the warmest place right now. And I have a flashlight.
Do not look directly in it.
Yeah. There's the puppies. Say hello, Foxy. Hi, Luna. Oh, Foxy wanting her belly rubbed. Rub her bellies. And there's a Luna, babies. Yes. Say hello. Yeah, she's not sure. So, yeah, we're getting, what do they call that? The bomb...
Nor'easter?
Yeah, the nor'easter. Or they're calling all kinds of weird names.
Well, a bomb is when we get a whole bunch of wet moisture.
Snow, NATO.
Bomb cyclone.
Bomb cyclone.
No, this is a nor'easter.
Oh, okay. And this is a nor'easter. Looky, I picked up trail mix for the puppies. Yeah.
There's so many treats throughout the house. It's not even funny.
That stuff that they ate and I picked up off the floor. And there's a mouse. And there's a fortune cookie underneath the table.
She was flinging around earlier.
Oh, so we got, oh, that's the one I wanted to open too. We got Chinese food yesterday. Here's my fortune cookie. I wanted the one that was hanging out. Should we open it?
Gosh.
Open up. Let me read my fortune. Better not say what?
Power's gonna go out.
Oh. Woo. Let's see here. I'm looking. It doesn't focus when I can barely read it. Mighty forces will come to your aid.
Oh.
Really? Because it sure looks like they're working against us.
Can you read that? Probably not. What does yours say?
If you want to win if you want to win anything, erase yourself, your life, you have to go a little berserk.
What?
Huh.
Samantha was looking at
Coles.
penny shoes, but she said she didn't see anything here she liked. So I'm finding out a couple of things. The camera really doesn't focus when it's dark.
I got fix that.
Like the men, oh my goodness. Like the men's edition. Is it all men's stuff?
I think so.
Yeah. Okay, there's some shoes.
That looks like men's too.
So that's the happenings. What else? What else you got going on?
That's it.
Brought the puppy bed down so they can sleep there next to the fireplace.
Fortune cookies
I don't know if
taste
you can
weird.
hear the wind. It's pretty fierce out. Oh, you can't even see out the window.
It's like 60 mile per hour gusts though.
Yeah.
Maybe my phone.
All right, well, I cannot do my giveaway tonight because I did not write down the names and I'm running out of battery power. So I will put this up when the lights come on and we'll do our Spring on Spring giveaway then. And that's all I got. Hope everyone has a great weekend.
Hope it's better than ours.
Yeah. Hopefully the lights come on soon. I'm going to talk to you later. Bye.
What was that?
Hey everyone, it is now Sunday the 4th of March. Lights came on last night. Yay! And just finishing up my Friday night. You can see we did it in the dark. What was that Friday night? So we just kind of chilled. And then yesterday we, you're cold. So the temperature ran here steady at 64 once, all the heat left the house from the lights going out. We had the gas fireplace and we went out, so we went out to eat yesterday morning and trying to think what else. Anything, Samantha? Just cold. Hung around, didn't have much percentage on our phones. You could see everybody going out to their cars and hanging out and
Stayed out during the day.
yeah. It was really active during the day yesterday. The sun was out. The snow was melting, and now they're saying we're going to get round 2 this week. But hopefully this light stay on this time. It was just the wind really blowing and knocked down a lot of trees. So that was our excitement this weekend. I didn't forget I have my money challenge, and I have my 2 people I need to pick winners for. So I'm going to stop this, flip the camera around, and we'll go ahead and pick our winners. Hold on. Okay, so first up, I want to do week 10 of the money challenge and just get that out of the way. So let me turn that around and pull a number out. I have you up on my tripod. And the number is $5 for week 10. So put that away. And then I'm just going to show you, I'm going to do this. I was going to write everybody's name down, and now I'm just like, I'll put it on the YouTube picker thingy. So I'm just going over here. It makes you take your URL. I'm going to copy that and then pull it over here. It makes you put it there. And then you just search it. So this is free. It's really neat. They have all kinds, like a Facebook comment picker, Instagram, and this is under the YouTube. I think you can see everything. And then real quick, here is, whoa. Oh, you weren't supposed to, oh, you can't even see that. Good. I put a little confetti in the bottom of the envelope for you. So there's a little goodie bag. I have 2 of them. And let's go ahead and pick some names. Where's I need to write these down somewhere. So, Amanda Quinton. Let me write your name down. Amanda Quinton. Quinton. Yes, Spring on Spring. LOL, Luna's so cute. She is a cutie pie. And Amanda, if you could just comment down below this video with your email address and I'll email you. It will come from Catnpaws at AOL.com. So Catnpaws, CATNPAWS, like my channel name, at AOL.com. And with your email address. And then I'll email you to get your address. And next up, Let me do another. Can I just do it again? I guess I have to search it again, right? Okay, searching it again. Maybe not. I wasn't ready for all this. So I guess I have to go back over. Let me try that. No, I have to, let me hit up here again. All right, YouTube comment picker. And they're both the same, both the envelopes are. There we go. And the second winner is... Yeah, this computer's very, very, very slow. I should have probably left it load up a little bit more. It says processing request. There we go. Well, I saw one name fly by. Monica Delgado. Monica! Yay, you're the second one. Delgado. Same deal. If you can just comment below with your email address and I will email you to get your address. I can send out your envelopes. So that was fun. As you can see, spring's not coming near Philly anytime soon with the snow coming in this week, but it will be here soon. All right, thanks for joining me, guys, and I'll talk to you real soon. And ladies, don't forget to put your email address in the comment below. That's the only way I'm going to really know it's you. All right, take it easy. Have a great day. Bye.